In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Google Calendar. Let's get started right from your Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you're in the calendar view you prefer, such as week or month view. This makes it easier to see all of your events and quickly find the one you want to move. First, locate the meeting or event you want to reschedule. This could be something you created yourself or an event where you're the organizer. Click once on that event to open a small pop-up window with its details. You'll see information like the event title, date and time, and the list of guests, if there are any. In that pop-up, look for the pencil or pen icon. This is the edit button. Click on the pen icon to open the full event details page. Editing from this page gives you complete control over the date, time, and other settings, and helps you avoid making changes by accident. Once you're on the event details page, go to the section where the date is displayed. Click directly on the date field. When you do this, a calendar picker will appear, showing you the current month and allowing you to move forward or backward to other months if needed. This is the tool you'll use to choose the new date for your meeting. Now select the new date you want for the event. Simply click on the day in the calendar picker. If needed, you can also adjust the time fields right next to the date to make sure the meeting starts and ends at the right time. Take a moment here to double check that the date, start time, and end time all match what you have in mind. When you're happy with the new schedule, go to the top or bottom of the event window and click on Save. Google Calendar will now recognize that you've changed an existing event. After clicking Save, a prompt may appear asking if you want to send updates to your guests. This is important because sending an update notifies everyone invited about the new date and time. Go ahead and click Send. This ensures your guests receive an email and a calendar update so no one misses the rescheduled meeting. And that's it. You've successfully rescheduled your meeting on Google Calendar.